as you can see by the clouds, we're going to have rain here in the desert today, believe it or not. It's supposed to come at about 1 o'clock, which is about when I'm going to stop riding, so it should get interesting. I'm out here in Red Rock Canyon State Park, and I am looking for some hidden caves. Oh boy, oh boy, we're in the wash now. This is kind of a thick, gravelly, silty mishmash. So it's soft, but it's heavy. It's kind of weird. It's weird riding it. Wow, it just turned into rocks. I guess we climbed out of the wash there. Yeah, this is rocky, but it's not bad. Just roll right over it. Oh, careful. I stopped for a sec just to kind of check the cameras and everything because one of them got knocked. I just turned around and looked at this view. Oh, it's really nice out today. Just love the cloud cover. Whoa! Look at this valley. Look at all the different colors and shapes of the mountains here. All right, I gotta pay attention. Don't go over the side. Just relax. Yeah, let it roll. Oh, just keep going. Keep your eyes up. That's it. That's quite a view from up here. You can see where we came down that mountain. Really interesting topography. So I gotta go down this hill. Yeah, that's steep, but I could do that. I just have to convince myself I could do it. Let's do a little reconnaissance. What's the best line down this thing? Oh, you can't tell, but about halfway down there's actually a ledge, and then it drops off again. Wow. I was just checking my route here, and further down on this trail that I have to go down, there's another very steep climb that I could tell is a very steep climb. Now I'm getting afraid if I make it down this, which I think I can, I'm going to go to somewhere where I can't go up, which means I'll have to come right back and come up through this. Oh, to be an expert rider. Man, am I going to wimp out here? I've got no excuses. I'm just wimping out. I'm going to go back the way I came, and I think there's a way of heading up another trail all the way up to the mountains that I want to get to, so let's do that. Once I get it in gear. Yeah, I just don't feel comfortable doing this, and you know, there's no prize. I'm not getting any money. It's not a race or anything. Just if I feel like doing something, I do it. If I don't, I just don't feel like it's right. I don't want to go against my instinct. Even though I probably could make that, it's not worth knowing that I can't make it and get hurt, or I get stuck down there and I can't go up the next rise, which there is a really big climb past this. And then I got to come back up and get up that. So I'll just chalk it up to I need more practice on hill climbs and hill descents. Come on. Keep it going. Trying to just avoid the big ones, at least. See, even a road like this, I think this is probably the first time I've ever been in something this rocky and technical and steep. But I know I could do it, so it really isn't bothering me. It's great practice, great experience. Just little by little, getting better all the time. Oh! My camera's gone! Ah! Son of a gun. Do I go back and look for it? Rats. Oh, man. Who knows when that came out? Oh, shoot! I lost another camera. I'm trying to find a place to pull off. Let's pull off over here. Well, shoot. I have no idea when I lost the camera. It actually came out of its case. Look at that. It hit so hard it broke. Alright, well, I guess I'll have to take it off. And why couldn't this camera have been lost? This one's starting to go bad. It won't turn on sometimes, or it doesn't turn on correctly. Won't somebody please make an action camera that is really bulletproof and works? They seem to go bad no matter what happens. Even if you don't destroy them. After about 8-9 months or something, they just stop working correctly. Alright, I'm in a bad mood. Hey, look, a little bunny! Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't even know you were there. That's wild. Oh, he's still running away. Oh, he's still running. Look at him go. That's not a jackrabbit bunny. That's just a regular bunny. Huh. He was cute. He was all furry and gray. Alright. Well, this day is not working out the way I thought it was gonna. But hey, isn't that what makes it a venture? Otherwise, if you knew exactly what was gonna happen, what's the point in coming out? This is some desolate areas. You know, this is like a Mad Max type stuff, or when somebody says the Badlands, this is what I think of. Wow. I think we're getting close to the caves. Maybe. Oh. Well, maybe we did. We are right on the edge of the cliff here. But we're definitely not going down that way. We are going to go this way. All right, let's do it. Wow, stuff. Oh, so soft and just powdery. Wow, that's like talcum powder. Look at this. It's big. The vein of whatever they were going after is actually at a 45-degree angle. That's why it's going down. They just followed the vein down. Wow, this stuff. Oh, there's more caves that way. This stuff is just fluff. Wow. I don't want to kick up too much dust. Stuff's nasty. I think these go down for quite a ways if you really wanted to explore them, and they go across the face of this cliff. So they removed quite a bit of material. This is all from the roof right here. Just a huge section let loose. Oh my God, this reminds me of like a Disneyland ride or something. It just, whoa, look at that. It's got paths going down every different direction. There's a lot of tunnels that go off this main chute. I'm heading that way. Let's see if we can get over there. Oh, I really do have to bring some sneakers next time. I don't like hiking in motocross boots. Wow, this place is huge. Huge. And this is just a tiny, tiny little part of it. It just keeps going. All right, I'm definitely going to go grab my flashlight before I start wandering just a little bit more. If you look out that way, you can see the snow-covered mountains about 100 miles away. But we're here today. We ain't there. Oh, that looks like it's a hard climb down. Let's go to the next one. Yes, this feels as precarious as it probably looks. I don't know how guys ride motorcycles on trails like this. I mean, I feel uneasy just walking this kind of trail. There's no way I'd ever bring a bike here. I don't know. I don't know if I'm ever up for that. There's actually little overhangs every once in a while that's cut under where you're walking. Okay, I think we'll go back to the first couple of caves and go back in. I mean, look at that. It's just so fine. Whew. I guess on the weekends, when they have a lot of people in here, you got to bring a mask because they kick up so much dust that it's hard to breathe, especially if you start getting further down the mine. You can tell all the dust in the air already just from me. Yeah, I can imagine having 10, 15 people in here. Whew. It would get pretty nasty pretty quickly. This is definitely a neat place to come. If you're a little more prepared, have a bigger flashlight, maybe a dust mask. Might be kind of fun to see where all these tunnels go. Oh! Need to get into better shape. What can I say? Whew. Oh my God, I forgot to turn the cameras on. I'm just not doing well today. This is just one of those days that everything's gonna go wrong, really? Well, I guess I'll throw in a little music in there. Jeez. I'm still having a good time though. Oh, I should start looking for my camera. It fell off somewhere around here on this road. I'm sure I'm going to miss it. There's no way I'm going to find it unless I go really slow. And I don't feel like doing that, so I just figure it's gone. I didn't get to half of the stuff I thought I was going to. Because of my detour this morning and troubles I've been having. Lost the camera. Forgot to turn on the camera for the drone a couple times even though it was flying. So you missed all that footage. Forgot to turn on my helmet camera while the drone was flying. And it was recording. Just every combination you could imagine I've screwed up today. But you know what? A bad day dirt bike riding is better than a good day at work. So I'm happy. I'm very happy. I still had a good time. I didn't think I was going to be out here at all today. I just wasn't feeling it, but I'm glad I came out. It was fun. But I tell you what, I hate to have to leave this. Yeah, this view has been my constant companion today. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Hey! Did you see that? Oh my God! Woo! Oh my God! No way! Stay! No way! Right there! It's my camera! It's the GoPro! Oh my God, I completely forgot about it. I wasn't looking at all. I was just riding. And I saw this rock. Oh, there, look, there's the latch. I saw this rock that looked black, and I'm like, that's odd. Why is that in the middle of the road all by itself? Ta-da! Oh, it doesn't look good. Ah. Oh. Well, the faceplate's broken off, but that's just a faceplate. Oh, the lens is still good. The lens is perfect. Let's see if it'll work. Well, it's back up. It says it's working. Woo! All right, we'll turn you off. We'll let you rest. Well, that may have been a minor miracle right there. Found the GoPro. I thought for sure there was no way I was ever going to see that again.
As much fun as it is to watch these videos, why don't you get on out there and make your own adventures? The memories you make will last you a lifetime.